Now we want a little bit of a darker green for the top of the carrot. So we will just take a little piece, just about like this, just pinch a little piece off, roll it into a ball, and then more into a cone. Okay, like this. So this is what we have so far. Then what I need to do is pinch this part. This is what's going to go into this little hole that we made here. So put some water on that and place that right inside. Okay, now at this point you need to take scissors and then you can just cut, hopefully you can see it at that angle, cut the sides. And then I can take this, see how it's falling out a little bit, and just kind of push it back up. We could either do, so if you wanted to do buttons, just take some balls of fondant. Yeah, we'll stay with the buttons, okay. I was going to do flowers instead, but we'll stay with buttons. And just put it right down in the middle. So we'll do one there. Take the back of a paintbrush and do like 4 little marks for buttons. Okay, it doesn't matter if they're straight or not because buttons usually, the 4 little marks aren't always on straight. Okay, there we go. Now we're ready to do the bottom part. Okay, so for the bottom, what we're going to do, see how this one has the flowers, the grass, and everything. What we'll do is we'll start by doing some stems. So this is just green with the tip number 2. And this is a good time too if you have any. I thought I had an air bubble. Yeah, it was right here where I had poked the air bubble. So I'll make sure that I'm going to place a flower there. So start from the bottom, squeeze, and bring the tip up. Some other ones have some lower ones here. Okay, cute. All right, flowers. We're going to do some yellow and some white. Because we still need, we have all this white up here, we need to bring a little bit of white down here, but we're going to start with the yellow ones first. Okay, so I just take some yellow fondant, and I need to roll this out. Okay, you don't want to roll it too thin because we actually need to, we're going to make this look like a daffodil. So we need to actually pinch the edges of the flower a little bit. So I've cut one out. If I kind of go like this with my finger, it gets those frayed edges away. Then take a back of a paintbrush is usually easiest to kind of poke the flower out. Okay. Now what I want to do is just, you can use the back of a paintbrush and just go, see how I just roll to the right and to the left, right to the left, to the right and to the left. Now I'll pick the flower up, take my fingers and just pinch that end. Okay, so for this, a little bit of water. I'll place this on. And I like these petals to kind of come forward a little bit. I don't like them to be completely flat. Now the easy way to do a center for the daffodil, super quick and easy way, is just take a little piece of fondant, roll it into a ball, a little bit of water in the center, and take the ball and roll it back and forth just once or twice. Now this end, you want to place that right up against the water. Hold it up there with your other finger and then take the back of the paintbrush and push in. Okay, so that's just like a fake little daffodil. Okay.